Hello, my name is Kenneth Cran and I am the principal here at Coláiste Naomh Cormac, Kilcormac. I am delighted to welcome you here to our virtual tour, so I hope to give you as much information as I possibly can. Built on the traditions of this school that was set up in 1971, we pride ourselves here on excellent teaching and learning, and as is characteristic of our ethos and mission statement, we endeavour to provide a holistic education for all of our students with excellent links to the community. We do this and we promote this element of inquiry and a culture of learning by having a diverse and broad curriculum which is complemented by wonderful extracurricular activities at this school. Almost every lunchtime we have activities which complement the teaching and learning here. We are blessed to have such a committed staff, to have wonderful students, and at the centre of our mission statement is a tangible respect, with a view to turning out students who have and are learning for life. We are delighted to have our ASD unit here called FERCL, which is headed up by Miss Collins, and indeed we have a very dedicated SEN team who cater for students who may find mainstream a little bit of a struggle. Everybody is catered for here at CNC Kilcormac. We are delighted to have not one but two TY classes here at CNC, and we hope in time to introduce an LCA class. Part of what is going on this year at CNC is the development of the infrastructure of the school, and we are looking to develop new car parking facilities to alleviate the traffic difficulties. We are hoping to develop those at the front of the school, and we are also installing canopied areas for student assembly areas. Student council and student voice is very much a part of what we embody here at CNC Kilcormac, and we have a very active prefect system and a very active student council system, and of course that is very important that we can balance the running of the school with the democratic voice of the students. When I visited the primary schools, I saw an unbridled enthusiasm with many of our primary school students, and that is very much characteristic of our ethos here, and we welcome that enthusiasm, and we want to harness that enthusiasm here at CNC Kilcormac so that our individuals grow holistically, not just academically. If you have any other inquiries with regard to the school, I'd be delighted to hear from you. You can make an appointment to see myself and come and see the school, albeit in constrained conditions, at principal@cnckilcormac.ie, or you can contact Nolene in the office. Application forms are available on our website, as is a virtual tour of our school. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for listening to me, and take care.
Hello, my name is Eva Longworth. I'm a first year student here at Coláiste Naomh Cormac. I went to Kinnity National School and now I'm going here. I've really settled in here at Coláiste Naomh Cormac. I do camogie, football and debating at lunchtime. There's so many things to do. I'm really happy that I chose Coláiste Naomh Cormac.
My name is Callan and I'm a senior student in 5th year in Coláiste Naomh Cormac. I came to school in 2016. Our school is quite small. However, that does not take away from our broad and diverse curriculum. There's many subjects in our school. For example, I do physics, engineering, DCG and music for Leaving Cert, as well as maths, English and Irish. However, so many other of my friends do many other subjects. As well as this, Coláiste Naomh Cormac prides itself on its extracurricular activities. Whether your hobby is music or sport or something like debating, every student is encouraged to express themselves. While academic education is very important to our school, the students' well-being is prioritised. The developing of our students and the experience that they get is so important to our school. For instance, for TY, which I advise any student to do, every student got up on stage to do the musical. While many didn't want to be up on stage, everyone said it was an experience for them and helped boost their confidence. As well as this, during TY and 5th year, many students took part in the Goshka programme. This is a presidential award and helped students develop 3 new skills over a certain number of weeks. At the end of it, we all got a medal from the president himself. While our school is small, I believe that adds to the dynamic. Every student is respected and there's warmth in the school. Positivity flows through the corridors and everyone is inspired to reach their full potential. I think because our school is so small, there's a feeling of community in it, and every student is encouraged to reach their full potential, whether that be in education, extracurricular activities, or just expressing themselves.
I'm delighted to welcome you to Callan Cormac. My name is Victoria Guinan and I am the Deputy Principal of our school community. It has been my experience that parents of prospective first-year students have 3 questions that they wish to ask of their intended school. Firstly, will my child be happy, cared for and supported in your school? Secondly, will my child be challenged and engaged and supported on their educational journey? And finally, will my child's full potential be developed in Callan Cormac? Our dedicated and vibrant staff forgo their lunch break most days with the goal of providing your child with the opportunity to develop both their physical and social skills. Lunchtime in CNC is a hive of activity with basketball, hurling, camogie, football, robotics, debating all taking place. We also have a games room in the library at lunchtime for those students who like to play chess, cards and various board games. In CNC, we value your child, and those values are enshrined in our school motto, which was devised by our students, which simply states, "Everybody matters." In our school, your child will be supported and challenged in their learning journey. We offer a dynamic place of learning with an enthusiastic and dedicated teaching staff. Our staff is committed to helping your child reach their academic potential. Being inclusive and promoting education that is inclusive is integral to what we are, ensuring that education is for all learners. We have a trained support team who work hard to support the teaching and learning of students with special needs. We also offer the broadest range of subjects at both junior and senior level. We offer a multifaceted TY programme that promotes the personal, social, vocational, sporting and creative development of our students. Students are continuously assessed in class. Formal assessment takes place every 10 weeks. Written reports are then issued and a follow-up parent-teacher meeting takes place where both parent and student attends. Finally, in Callan Cormac, we aim to develop the full potential of every student in our care, in a learning environment that is underpinned by fairness, understanding, discipline and success. Every child in our school community is encouraged to strive for excellence. And on that note, I would like to thank you for your interest and I look forward to meeting you and your son and daughter in the near future.
And now I would like to introduce you to some of our alumni, our past pupils who have continued on to pursue their studies at 3rd level and who are very successful in doing so. We are delighted to welcome them back here today.
Hi, I'm Sorka Moylan. I am a past pupil of Callan Cormac. I completed my Leaving Cert in 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic, and I was lucky enough to get my choice of course in UCD, and I am currently studying human nutrition, which is mainly online. And human nutrition basically consists of how food and our diet affects our health positively or negatively, and how it can cause bad diet or poor diet can cause different diseases, and I study that. I hope to do a Masters in Dietetics after my undergraduate, and hopefully this will qualify me to become a hospital dietitian, which is the route I want to go down. I'm very fortunate to have got this course, and it's all because of basically my education, my secondary school education in Callan, which gave me this base for learning. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Edward Egan. I studied at Callan, and I was part of the CNC class of 2020. Since then, I've moved on to NUIG, where I'm studying history, geography and English. College life is a lot different this year, unsurprisingly. Everything's been moved online, from college courses to events and societies, but I think we've handled it fairly well in spite of everything. The reason I chose history, geography and English to study in college is because I found those subjects really interesting in secondary school, and I want to be a secondary school teacher after I finish college, so I can teach those subjects in the secondary school.
Hi, my name is Orla Heffernan and I'm a recent graduate of the class of 2020 from Callan. Since Callan, I have moved on to study in NUI Galway, and I was extremely lucky to get the course that I really wanted, which was a Bachelor of Arts in Drama, Theatre and Performance. I've always loved performance since I've been young, and this was a dream come true, if I'm being honest. This year my college experience has been extremely different to the one that I was anticipating because of COVID. But because everything has moved online, societies have also moved online, and that has been a very good way to keep connected to people and to be able to make friends. In the future, I really hope to join a theatre company and perform on stage. But in my course, I've also been learning about lighting and costume design, which has been very interesting, and I might also want to follow up on that too.